Hi everybody, xiaoyi here, the voice behind the camera. Wanted to show you real quick how to set up and import email accounts to where they all come to one Google email, but have different things. How you can send emails from the same account where it will look like it's coming from different accounts and make sure you never cross who gets what. And how to make sure each of those emails have a signature. Now this is my primary email account here on Google, and what you'll want to do is go over to your settings and go to settings. I know, clicking on a gear to get to the settings when you want settings seems kind of silly. You'll want to go to account and imports, and then you have all these options over here. As you can see, I've got several different accounts I use. I want to add another email address, however. When you do that, you will get a pop-up window. For that one, I want my name to show as xiaoyi Voodoo because I opened this account to specifically help me with some stuff I'm doing for Voodoo Leatherworks. And you input the address you have. As you can see, I've typed mine in enough times on other things that I can just select it from the bottom. If this is a new email for you, you're going to have to make sure to type it in fully. Make sure you spell it right. Check the box that says treat as alias. Then go to next step. It will ask you to verify it. Click send verification. At this point, you can either enter the verification code by logging into your other account and then coming back, or you can go to your other email account and hopefully type things right. This will pull up my current inbox, my primary inbox. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to add an account because it is another Google account. Do whatever you need to do to get into your email account. Make sure I typed it right. It will load, and right there is the send email as. You click it, and it will have this wonderful link in here that you just click. It will pop up a new thing saying, do you want to do this? Click confirm. Yes, yes, I want to do this. Thank you very much. Closing out of there, closing out of my new email, going back to my primary account, gear to settings, and over here under account and imports, I now have slaveheartbootblack@gmail. In order to do a signature for this, click on General and start scrolling down. When you get to where it says Signature, there's a drop-down menu, and you can select what account and put in a signature. Let's see, I want it to say xiaoyi. And with that, I help with I'm actually going to do this a little separately because I want to make sure Voodoo Leatherworks is recognized as the company. Those are the committees that I help with and the things I do that will be going through this email for me. And that's all I really need in a signature. I then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Save Changes. If you have multiple signatures you want to change, you cannot change more than one at a time this way. I don't know why it doesn't let you change them and then save all, but it doesn't. When you're looking at your accounts thing, the most important thing to have checked is down here. It's under your list of emails that you use, and it says reply from same address message was sent to. This means that even though I am always in my main email box, if somebody sends me an email that is to slaveheartbootblack@gmail.com, it will show up in my inbox. But when I click reply, instead of showing this email account that I have here, it will show that the return address is slaveheartbootblack@gmail.com. And it will always use the signature I've assigned to that. So that no matter how many different emails you keep and are organizing and running through, they will always respond the way you want them to, and nobody gets to know all the other emails you have, except everybody who watched this video and, freeze this page and look at all the emails I have. Please don't sign me up on spam lists. That would really suck. So that's all there is to it. If it is not a Gmail account, sometimes you may have to, when you go to set it up through it may ask you more questions when you go add another email address, at which point it'll ask your mail domain, which someone should have gotten you, or you should have access to, a password, and it will also ask things like what port you're using. For example, with my Marquee Lifestyle Center, the port we use is 587. Some of them are port 110. I have no idea what these numbers mean. I don't need to. I just need to put it in where it asks for it, and voila. So I hope this video was very helpful to you. If it was, please let me know in the comments or underneath, or shoot me an email. I look forward to hearing from you, and